8 members అయిరా మరి రేపైతే లెసన్ అయిపోతుంది కదా మరి
ఇక్కడ ఏం సార్ అది వెయిటింగ్ మళ్ళీ వెయిటింగ్
స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి
సెక్యూరిటీ ఎనబుల్ వెయిటింగ్ అడ్మిట్ వాళ్ళే వచ్చేస్తారు ఇంకో అన్నారు వెయిటింగ్
ఓకే ఎవరు should be ముందు పెట్టు
నువ్వు ఆ బాక్స్ లో పడు రిజల్ట్స్ నువ్వు ఒక డేట్ రాసినావు కనిపిస్తుంది
రైట్ yes
What is an array? Array is the container object. The most of the number of values of it.
yes
The complex type of variable. It is also an object. It is a data structure. And it contains the number of values of same type. Okay, here each item in an array is called as an element. Element can be accessed for the index numbers. Okay, here we have for 10, 0 to 9. Okay. Array length is 10. Okay, here in array, starting number is 0. Okay, now 0 to count. Okay, now 0 is count of the okay, first number is the here. This one is called index and diagram no. This is the elemented index range. Okay, now these are the indices and this is the length of an array.
okay super sir okay right
Okay,
so children good morning, welcome to my class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning ma. Have you ready to keep notebook, textbook and a pen, water bottle? If you have ready, you keep type yes. Children, keep yes. Y in up. Letter Y in up. No ready to you. I have no ready. You keep N. Enough. Right. Okay. Children, yesterday we discussed in previous class. You all of you put on the videos and give answers. If you know, if you don't know, you follow me. In previous two classes, we discussed the sets. Who invented sets?
George Cantor.
George Cantor.
Very good, George Cantor, German country. The will. A set containing only one element, then it is called as
Single term element.
singleton set, right? A set contains infinity number of elements.
Infinity set.
Infinite set.
Okay, good. If a set contains no elements, then it is called
Null
Fine.
set. Empty
Or
set.
empty set, void set.
yes, very
Null
good.
set.
Yes, very good. Empty set, null set,
Null
or void set.
void
Okay,
set.
good. number of set builder form आपको A union B is equal to
X such that X belongs to A or X
A
belongs
or
to
B.
very good. Set builder form of A intersection B.
X such that
X
X
such
belongs
that
to A
X
and
belongs
X
to A
belongs
and X
to B.
belongs to B.
Very good. Difference of sets means A minus B is equal to A minus B.
B minus A is not equal.
Set build, yes, not is equal to B minus A. You have to say
Yes, sir.
set builder form. Set builder form. आपको A minus B.
X belongs to A and X not belongs to B.
Set builder form आपको A minus B.
A set contains all elements doesn't belong to B.
Okay.
X such that X belongs to A does not belongs to B.
B.
And X does not belongs to B. And X
B.
does not belongs to
X
B.
does not belongs to B.
Okay, very good. Yesterday we have missed formulas. Chapter 2, sets, formulas. Formulas. What are formulas in this set? There are mainly one formula only. From this, we have to write more than 2 auxiliary formulas. Number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B
Plus number of
minus number of A intersection B. So number of N of A or number of A, that is cardinal number. Cardinal numbers means how
cardinal number.
how many elements in that set are called cardinal number. So
Cardinal
from this,
numbers.
how we can write if A and B are design sets. If second formula, if A and B are design sets, then number of A union B is equal to number of A union B is equal to, do you know? So
A plus
here,
B.
very good, nice. So in this case, these are intersecting sets. In this case, this is the formula. In this case, disjoint sets A, B. In this case, the formula becomes number of A plus number of B. Enough. Okay. From this formula, we can write number of A intersection B is equal to, from this, we can write auxiliary formula, number of A union B. No. Number of A. Just we have to transpose this from left to right. This right, right to left, left to right. Just replacement of these terms. Then we can get this formula. Number of A intersection B is equal to number of A plus number of B
Plus number
minus
of B
number
minus
of
A
union B.
A union B.
So this is these are 3 formulas. Okay. In our new textbook, these only we have. We don't have number of A union B union C. We don't have. So no need of focusing on those formulas. Okay, children. Right.
Okay, sir.
If you have already saved in your mind, no need of again and again practicing. If you haven't saved in your mind, you must practice and write in a paper and paste anywhere, which you stay maximum of time. Okay, that you have to do. So today we are going to learn polynomials. Polynomials. For this, I will show a presentation. All right, mass main points. Before entering chapter 3 polynomials, we have to know what are in this polynomials. Children, you also prepare like this for a maximum. Try to prepare like this mind mapping or brain mapping. If you prepare like this mind mapping or brain mapping, it will be permanently. Those will be easy to recognize, easy to remember. So mind mapping, polynomials. So polynomials, in this polynomials, we have to know constants. What are constants? The numbers which won't change. So the numbers which won't change or letters won't change, those are constants. So variables, we can take any numbers which are given in questions. So those are variables. So like example, here we have 2x. So in this 2x y. So in this 2 is the constant. 2 is the constant. So these are variables. 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 3x yz. So these are variables. You know, from 3rd class onwards, you are learning these variables, constants. So you know very well. Types of polynomials. We discussed in previous class and 9th class. Linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic. Linear, quadratic, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial. So how like it is? Ax plus b is equal to 0. This is the form of linear equation. Example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the structure of linear equation. Quadratic, here we have 1 degree is 1. So quadratic means the polynomial which has degree as 2. So that is called quadratic. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic polynomial. Next, cubic polynomial. The polynomial which has degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Example, x cube plus 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Bi means so the degree is 4. Then it is called biquadratic polynomial. Example, x to the power of 4 plus 9 is equal to 0. We no need of counting these terms. In this we have only 2 terms, but the degree is 4. That's why it is called a biquadratic polynomial. Here is a structure of this ax to the, this is the general form of biquadratic polynomial. Ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e is equal to 0. This is the general form or standard form of biquadratic. This is the general form or standard form of cubic polynomial. This is the general form or standard form of quadratic polynomial. This is the linear polynomial. Next, these are according to degree. The polynomials are divided linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, children. These we have to learn from 6th class onwards. 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. And just we have some examples in 10th class also. So next, polynomials. According to more about polynomials, degree, value, what is the degree of polynomial, what is the value of polynomial, what is the zero of polynomial, what is coefficients of polynomial. So let us discuss. Just I will give you idea. Degree 2x cube plus 5 is equal to 0. So degree of the polynomial, what, children, here? What is the degree of the polynomial?
3.
Very good, very good. So here x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is the value of this polynomial? This is also linear polynomial.
0.
No.
0.
If you
1, sir.
substituted here 0, that equation not satisfied. Which we satisfy this?
Oh.
That is equal to x is equal to plus 2. Okay, this is the value. Here value, how to find value, I will show you. Just this is not a proper question. If x is equal to 2, then x plus 3 is equal to how much? This is the finding the p of x is equal to x plus 3. Find the value of this.
5, sir.
How much?
5, sir.
5.
5, sir.
5. One more question. Finding value. If x is equal to minus 2, then x square plus 1 is equal to p of, this is the
3, sir.
5, sir. 5, 5, sir. 5, sir.
Well. Not minus minus 2 whole square means 2 to the 4 plus 4 only. Plus 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, very good. Understood? Right. All
Yes,
members
sir.
understood. 0 of the polynomial. What is the 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial means p of x is equal to x minus 3. What is the 0 of the polynomial? If we
3 plus 3.
Yes, plus
Plus
3.
3.
We substituted in place of x, then we get to 0. That we have to think. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That's why 0 of the polynomial is 3. 0 of the
3.
polynomial is 3. So next, coefficient. What is the coefficient? So 2x cube plus 3 is equal to 0. What is the coefficient in this? Coefficients.
2.
What are the coefficients? 2.
2,
Is the coefficient of x cube?
2, sir.
Yes, very good. Nice. Next, so geometrical representation of polynomial, graphical representation of polynomial, relation between 0 and coefficients. Today we discuss about, we try to complete up to zeros of the polynomial. Okay, children. So this is the overall chapter viewing. First, now we are going to learn in detail. If we given any question, we have to solve based on these concepts. Polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral power is called a polynomial. Non-negative integral power. Non-negative integral power means, do you know non-negative integral power means minus non-negative integral power. Non-negative integers. Non-negative integers means we know, children. Minus,
Positive
Positive,
integer.
negative.
yes, good. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are integers. We know, children. The largest negative integer is -1. Smallest positive integer is 1. We can't say smallest integer. We can't say largest integer. We can say largest negative integer, smallest positive integer. While I am explaining, if there is any doubt, you immediately respond and ask children. These are very helpful to write in exam. So which is neither a positive nor a negative? 0. This is neutral. You know very well. So in this, these are called non-negative. These are called non-negative integers. These are called non-negative integers. So understood well. In this 0 also including. These are called positive integers. These are called negative integers, z minus. So you know very well this. Okay. So like this you have to know. Now example 1, 2x plus 3, 2y square minus 7y plus 4 minus 5z, etc. are polynomials. So these are all polynomials. Second one, this, not first one, this second one. You think about that. That is second one, not first one. Thus, this is second one, children. Second. Yes, second one. So in this, this 1 by x square, 1 by root 2x square. Next one. One by y minus 1 square root of 3x cube, etc. are not polynomials. Understood this? This is very important concept in this. This is small one sentence, but this is very useful while solving the problems. 1 by x square is not a polynomial. Why it is? Do you know why it is not a polynomial? Anyone can say? You think once. So this is, if we written, you know, children, 1 by a is equal to a to the power of minus 1. So here, an algebraic expression in which the variable involved have only non-negative integral power. So this is power negative. That's why this is not a polynomial. Understood?
Yes, sir.
We written this, we get
Yes, sir.
this one, x to the power of minus 2. Okay. Year 1. Yes. Next, this 1 by how it become root 2x year 1 whole to the power of minus 1. Next, so third one, how it becomes y minus 1. In place of a, here we have a children. Understood? Y minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1.
-1.
So what is this? Why it is not a polynomial? Anyone can say? Why it is not a polynomial?
Irrational number.
See this here. This irrational number. Okay, you may think like that. We may convert like this power, integral power. What we'll get? We think root 3. I will write a irrational number. Root 2x. Is this polynomial or not polynomial? Is this polynomial? Polynomial. Why? Because here we have positive.
Positive integer.
Yes.
Positive number.
Yes. Non-negative integral. Positive number. So this is polynomial. So why it is not a polynomial? Anyone can guess. If you know, you may say this. Right. I will tell you. So we can write this, separate this first root 3 and root x cube. Root 3x cube is given. Root 3x cube is given. We know the formula. Root AB, square root of AB is equal to square root of A, square root of B. You know very well. So here, root 3 writing as it is. But you know, children, this formula a to the power of n, square root of a to the power of n is called what? Children, if you get any formulas in your MMPT or MMP notes, you immediately note in your notebook. You separately write notes. You separately write formulas. So here we can write n by 2. N by 2. Note this formula. Square root of a power n. A is equal to n by 2. I gave like these formulas in MMPT, mass main points tests. Mass main points test. I given like this formula. I didn't give in MMP. In MMP mass main points. I didn't give MMP. Why? Because these are primary level formulas. That's why I didn't give in MMP book. MMP points. So you may focus. If you don't know these formulas, you may copy from MMPT. Children, remember that. So now we can write this. How to write this? You say x to the power of x to the power of anyone can.
3/2.
Yes, very good. By x to the power of 3 by 2. So is this non-negative integral power? Is this non-negative integral power? Integral means integer. Is this integer? Is 3 by 2 is
No, sir.
No, sir.
This is
No,
3 by
No, sir.
does not belongs to integers.
Integers.
So these are belongs to rational.
Rational.
Rational number.
Yes, that's why this is not a polynomial. Clear? So these four
yes, sir.
are different questions. You remember this, right? You understood well about polynomials in detail. Right, okay. Now children, you try to give answers fatafat. These are in your textbook questions only. Once you put on the videos, all of you, 10 minutes time. Okay, afterwards I will tell you. All right, children. Completed, Ashrita, completed polynomials in your school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next, Shiva Prasad, completed polynomials?
No, sir.
No, right, okay. Abhinav Krishna? Abhinav Krishna, completed in your school?
Fine, sir.
Completed?
Half.
Okay, okay, right. Nagadeep, completed?
No, sir.
Okay. Children, if you didn't listen, didn't complete in your school, please watch my videos. In that videos I explained in base level, children. No one explained like that. If you watch the videos, you can get full knowledge in each and every chapter. So you spend some time and watch the videos and prepare notes, children. If you don't know that knowledge, no need of worrying about. But if you not try to learn, that is the bigger mistake. మీకు తెలుగులో ఉంటది, మీకు ఏం చదువు రాకపోయినా బాధపడే ఏమి అవసరం లేదు, కానీ నేర్చుకోకపోతే మాత్రం చాలా పెద్ద తప్పు చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. సో కాబట్టి మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఎప్పుడు ఏ సమయం ఉంటే ఆ టైంలో మీరు వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకొని మీకు అవసరమైతే నాకు వాట్సాప్ పెట్టండి, నేను అది మీకు పంపిస్తాను. మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇంకేదన్నా డౌట్ ఉన్నా కూడా నేను క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఈ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ అనేది మీరు అనుకుంటారేమో, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇది పాలిసెట్కి పని అయిపోతుంది, ఇక నాకు వీటితో ఏం అవసరం లేదని ఎవరైనా అనుకుంటే మాత్రం చాలా మిస్టేక్ చేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. వీటితోని మీకు చాలా యూజ్ ఉంటుంది. మన లైఫ్లో మన బిజినెస్ చేసినా, మీరు ఒకవేళ బిజినెస్ చేయదలుచుకున్నా మీకు కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అవసరం అవుతుంది. రేపు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ అనుకోకుండా మీకు మీ క్లాస్ లెవెల్తో జాబ్స్ రాబోతున్నవి. ఇప్పటి వరకు జాబ్స్ ఫిల్అప్ చేయలేదు మన తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ లో, చాలా జాబ్స్ రాబోతుంటాయి, వాటికి మీరు ఎలిజిబుల్ అవుతారు. కాబట్టి మీరు ఇటువంటి దృష్టి పెట్టుకొని మీ ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ను మీరు వినండి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఈ షార్ట్ టైంలో ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పడం అనేది మామూలు విషయం కాదు. ఎన్నో సంవత్సరాల నుంచి నేను ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ ను ఒక దగ్గర తీసుకొచ్చి వాటికి అనుగుణంగా నేను సెట్ చేస్తున్నా. కాబట్టి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరున్నా కూడా మీరు చెప్పండి, దేర్ ఇస్ నో లాస్, మీకు ఎంతో బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది అని వాళ్ళకి చెప్పి మీరు కూడా వాళ్ళను ఇన్వాల్వ్ చేయండి. మీరు కూడా వాళ్ళకు ఒకసారి చెప్తారా అంతే, వాళ్ళు చేరుతారా చేయడం అనేది అది పక్కకు పెట్టండి. కానీ మీరు మాత్రము చెప్పిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ను చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా 100% యాజ్ ఎ మీరు ఒక టీచర్ అనుకోండిగా, నేను ఒక టీచర్, నేను ఎవరికైనా చెప్పగలుగుతా, మా సిస్టర్ చెప్పగలుగుతా, మా బ్రదర్ చెప్పగలుగుతా, లేదు అంటే ఇంకా నేను ఏదైనా ఎవరికైనా నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా అనే రేంజ్ లో మీరు త్వరగా కావాలి. అటువంటి నా ఉద్దేశం ఉన్నది. కాబట్టి మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా, మీకు చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది, చాలా టాలెంటెడ్ ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకంటే మీరు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు నేను పంపినటువంటిని మీరు పంపిస్తున్నారు అంటే నాకు తెలిసిపోయింది మీకు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది. అయితే ఆ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ని మీరు ఎన్లార్జ్ చేసుకోవాలి. మీరు నేర్చుకోవాల్సిందంతా కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా నేర్చుకొని మీరు చేస్తూ ఉండండి చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, రైట్. Now try to give answers. State which of the following are polynomials and which are not. మీకు ఎవరికైతే సిలబస్ కాలేదో మీరు చెప్పకపోయినా నేను ఏమనుకోను. మీరు ఒకవేళ ఐడియా వస్తే మాత్రం ఇమీడియట్ గా చెప్పండి, రాకపోతే నో ప్రాబ్లం. కానీ మీరు వినండి కేర్ఫుల్ గా. మళ్ళీ మీరు ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ మై వ్యూ. రైట్ చిల్డ్రన్? ఎనీవన్ కెన్ సే 2x cube. What is this? Is this a
Polynomial, sir.
Yes, very good. 1 by x minus 1.
Not a polynomial.
Not
Not a polynomial.
Very good. In new textbook, change it like this question, children. 1 by x minus 1 is equal to, in condition x not is equal to 0. Is this a polynomial or not?
Not a
Not a
polynomial.
polynomial.
Not a
This is also not a polynomial. Very good. Third one. 4z.
Polynomial.
Yes, 4z square plus 1 by 7 polynomial. M square minus square root 2 m plus 2. Is this polynomial or not?
polynomial, sir.
Polynomial.
Polynomials.
This is polynomial. Next, fifth one, p to the power of minus 2 plus 1. Is this polynomial or not?
Not a polynomial.
Not a polynomial.
Yes, very good, children. Well said. So in this overall, first one, this is polynomial. This is not. This is not. This is yes. This is yes. This is not. Yes. Okay. Very good. You told totally. Good, children. Which are polynomials in this? A 2x plus 5. B 3x square plus 5x plus 6. C minus 5y. D all the above.
All the above.
All the above.
All the above. Very good. Next. Which is not a polynomial?
D, sir.
D, sir. D.
Sir.
Yes, very good. D. Note, polynomials are algebraic expressions. Polynomials are algebraic expressions. In 6th class, we learned these are algebraic expressions. Nothing but algebraic expressions. How to construct algebraic expressions? Constructed using constants and variables. We first discussed constants and variables. That's why only. Right. Next, standard form of polynomial. Let x be a variable, n be a positive integer, and a0, a1, a2, and so on, an minus 1, an be constants, means real numbers. Then p of x means polynomial. P of x is equal to a0 x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus and so on, an minus 1 x plus an in a0 not is equal to 0. A0 not is equal to 0 means this term not is equal to 0. If it is 0, no, here we get 0. That's why here is the condition must applicable. Is called a polynomial x. This is a polynomial x. This is the standard form of a polynomial. Standard form means we have to write the degrees descending order, children. N minus 1, n minus 2, and so on. Last constant term. This is the standard form or general form. In the polynomial p of x, these are called terms of the polynomial. In this, these are all called terms, not words. In English, these is just generally we can call these words, but in mathematically we can call these terms. A0, A1, A2, and so on, an minus 1, an are called coefficients. These are coefficients. Coefficient of x to the power of n0, A0. Coefficient of x to the power n minus 1.
A1.
Children, this meeting is going to end. Then after ending, just immediately you join. Okay. Next, A0, A1, A2, and so on. These are constants. Okay. Next, degree of polynomial. This is very important. Degree of polynomial. the highest power of x in a polynomial f of x is called the degree of the polynomial f of x. So in this, f of x is equal to 5x cube minus 4x square plus 3x minus 4 is a polynomial in the variable x of degree 3. So in this, what is the highest